Okay, let's talk about the different environments in Fusion 360. So as you can see, I have this simple model in the design environment in Fusion 360, and we have some options such as solid surface, sheet metal, and tools. So all these sub environmental options changes upon the environment. So you see this design render, these are all the different environments that we get in Fusion 360. And apart from that, if I change my environment from design to render, you can see the sub options changing simultaneously with that. So I have this code render of my model. As you can see, if I go for animation, I get some different options, simulations, similarly. So this is all about the different environments. If you can create form also from here, and you can do something form. This is form actually. So you can pull it out. Form is basically more about conceptual drawing or conceptual design, so you need not to worry about the dimensions and all. You just have to play with it. That's all about the design environment. You can finish form here, and we have the model. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next video very soon. Thank you so much. Peace.